Eating for optimal health. Did you know that avocado is more than just a delicious ingredient in your favorite snacks? It's an incredibly healthy food, full of essential nutrients for your body, and today we're going to discover the main benefits it brings to you. Starting with cardiovascular health, avocado is rich in healthy fats, such as oleic acid, which help to maintain healthy cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Imagine having a strong and healthy heart, thanks to this small and wonderful fruit. And the best part is that avocado is also an excellent source of choline, an important nutrient for brain development. Choline is essential for cognitive health and can help improve memory and learning ability. Imagine a sharper and more intelligent mind, thanks to this small and wonderful fruit. And if you're worried about the health of your skin, avocado is an excellent food to include in your diet. It's rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and keep it young and healthy. Imagine radiant and healthy skin, thanks to this small and wonderful fruit. Another benefit of avocado is its ability to protect eye health. It contains vitamin E, vitamin A, and carotenoids, which help to maintain eye health and prevent diseases such as retina degeneration. Imagine healthy and problem-free eyes, thanks to this small and wonderful fruit. And these are just some of the many benefits of avocado. In addition to being an excellent source of nutrients, avocado is versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from guacamole to smoothies. So, start including more avocado in your diet today and experience all its amazing health benefits. Don't miss out on this wonderful fruit, which will do wonders for your body and mind.